Thanks for waiting. It's a dog that often has blood on the shirt he took off recently.
I'm a bird.
Today, I'm going to introduce Amazon Limited plastic models, Kotobukiya's Frame Arms Girl and Durga's Darkness Queen.
About $100. I have to increase my part-time job.
Let's take a look. In addition to Durga, which is generally sold, equipment for Darkness Queen has been added. Color and hairstyle are also special specifications.
Jesus?
Light mode first.
Cool Japan.
Can you feel the blood rushing through your corpus cavernosum? The range of motion of each joint is wide. It's good to have a mechanism that can tilt your neck.
This is worth buying.
Forget the time and enjoy posing. Priceless. Let's go to Darkness Queen mode soon.
Yes. Thoroughly enjoyed.
This is Darkness Queen mode.
I didn't put any decals on it.
This is about half the contents of the kit. In addition, it can be recombined with normal Durga's armed mode, but I will omit it this time. I thought about making one, but gave up halfway through because I wanted to decorate it in Darkness Queen mode anyway.
The bottom dog as a reviewer.
Kotobukiya, which makes kits out of reusable parts, also has its problems. I wish the price would have been lower with just the Darkness Queen mode.
Now that the yen is weak, it may be time to buy for people outside Japan.
There are 3 types of printed face parts.
It's a good kit, but I recommend applying decals or painting it to make it look better.
The characteristic block-shaped shield is also molded in one color, and the pedestal for displaying the shield is sold separately, so be careful.
It should have been a Japanese Amazon exclusive, so if you find it difficult to buy, don't overdo it.
Not worth buying from an expensive scalper.
I agree.
From here on it's a bonus. I bought a Spider-Gwen figure the other day.
Ah yes.
It came with a spider web part, so I tried playing with it in combination with a girl's plastic model I had.
Let your imagination run wild.
Figurines and plastic models are fun to play with in various combinations.
I agree.
You can pose more imaginatively, but I'm afraid of getting yelled at, so try it yourself.
It's time to say goodbye.
Sorry for the rough review every time. Apart from this channel, I also make manga videos, so please take a look if you like.
It's the ninja dog Make Inu. I'm not interested in.
Thanks for watching. See you.